In the first visit in the first trimester, what do? As soon as you come, we take a detailed history regarding your past medical, surgical illnesses that you have undergone and any other medication that you are taking, your family history, your personal history, all this will be recorded. Your last menstrual period date will be noted. You will be given a thorough physical examination from head to foot, whether you are anemic, whether there is any edema of the feet, whether your heart and lungs are normal, and your abdomen examination, breast examination. All this will be done. The confirmation of pregnancy is usually by a urine test. The first scan we usually do around 12 to 14 weeks, but if the woman had irregular periods, we might insist on a scan at the first visit itself. If the woman has urine as positive and if there is no pregnancy seen in the scan, it may be too early a pregnancy or an ectopic pregnancy, in which case we will go for a test, blood test called beta HCG test. During every visit, your weight will be measured, your BP will be checked, your urine albumin sugar will be checked in the later months every visit, and an abdomen examination to assess the size of the uterus, which indirectly reflects the size of the baby and the fluid around the baby will be assessed. They will see whether it corresponds to your dates, and an internal examination will be done if necessary. Whenever there is bleeding or a white discharge associated with itching, burning or foul smell, or if the fluid is leaking in the later months of pregnancy, an internal examination also will be done. During these visits, please feel free to ask your doctor whatever doubts you have. It is always better to note down the doubts that you have and then clear it.